4, 3, 2, 1, fight! Mortal Kombat!
My opponent Vasil was a black belt in karate. I myself am a black belt in kung fu, but this was more like an MMA type of fight than a style versus style matchup. I kicked low to set up a high kick, but he was quicker and connected with a hook kick. And so here we're just trying to feel each other out and try to feint and get some reads on each other. This guy had some really good kicks, as you can tell here in a moment. He does an axe kick, and I try to close the distance, but I stepped right into his jab. That really hurt. Here's a double roundhouse kick. The second kick connected. And he grabs my leg and we clinch up a bit. And he rushes at me and closing the distance. And I end up on the ground. And he's doing some ground and pound. And I counter. Now here his headgear falls off and we decide to start over.
Stop! Fight!
Now there's an important lesson here, so just watch. He throws a nice spinning wheel kick. And here I'm not connecting with the kick, he is. Now watch this. Ouch. Now he wasn't aiming for my groin, but this shows a difference between self-defense and sports fighting. One reason not to rely on high kicks in self-defense is it exposes your groin. Also, if you have to, it's a good strategy to target weak areas on your opponent, such as the groin, but only if you have to.